Want to share your Waze location with someone on WhatsApp? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to share your Waze location on WhatsApp step by step. First, open the Waze app on your phone and make sure your location is detected correctly. Next, tap the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Then, select your current location or the destination you want to share. Once the location appears, tap the share button. From the sharing options, select WhatsApp. Choose the contact or group you want to send the location to. Then tap the send button. Your Waze location will now be shared through WhatsApp, allowing the recipient to open it and view the location. And that's how you can share a Waze location on WhatsApp quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Waze tutorials for helpful tips.